What does a Hadoop developer do? A Hadoop developer is a professional responsible for programming Hadoop applications and knows all about the components or pieces of the Hadoop ecosystem, how each component fits together, and which one would be the best fit for a specific task. Based on the person's position in the organization and the big data problem at hand, a Hadoop developer's day-to-day task could include anything from writing a complex Hadoop MapReduce program, writing pig scripts and Hive queries, to running workflows and scheduling Hadoop jobs using Oozie. The main responsibility of the Hadoop developer is to take the ownership of the data. The better they know the data, the better they know what kind of results are possible to get from that data. The main job of the Hadoop developer is to play with data, transform it, decode it, and ensure that it is not destroyed. Generally, Hadoop developers receive tons of unstructured data through Flume or structured data through RDBMS, which they then clean using various tools in the Hadoop ecosystem. After data cleaning, they write a report or create visualizations for the data using BI tools. In essence, a Hadoop developer is responsible for installing, configuring, and maintaining the entire Hadoop ecosystem. To know more about how you could be a certified Hadoop developer, reach out to Cognixia today.